got a 2016 Audi Q3 with a 2.0 turbo. So I got this vehicle in here yesterday. I spent a whole day trying to figure out what the hell is wrong with this. This vehicle here is towed in for a no start. First things first, check the compression. All of them are 150 psi. All the spark plug were soaking wet with the fuel every time I crank them. So I changed the spark plug. I even put a good known coil in here, and it's still the same whatsoever. Nothing changed. Check the fuel. The fuel was really dirty. It's empty now, but they were really dirty, so I changed. I thought maybe the fuel was gone. Anyway, fuel was not the issue. Like I said, I changed the freaking coil and spark plug. They're still no go. I thought maybe the fuel pump is no good whatsoever, but still no go. So I asked for help from a buddy, and they told me that this one in here is not good for timing. At first, I couldn't believe that the timing is out because, like I said, I have 150 psi on all 4 cylinders. But now I checked it, and it is out, right? So I got the mark in here on the top, and the exhaust side is really out, at least like 6 to 7 teeth. It was pointing over here. The only thing I don't understand is that having 100 psi on all 4 cylinder, surprisingly, and just finding out that the timing is out. Anyway, for all of you guys that having trouble with the no start issue and keep flooding the spark plug, check your timing on a 2016 Audi Q3 with a 2.0 liter. This one here only have 125 kilometers. Alright guys, peace out.